wasn't very good from first 5 minutes to the last 5 minutes, so pretty disappointing.
The way that obviously 2 great goals, but the second goal seemed to be an absolute backbreaker that Doobie gave up.
Yeah, I mean, that was one that was definitely a cause for concern. Once you start chasing the game all the time, it becomes a problem. But I mean, I'm sure he'd like to have that one back.
Where's your concern level with him after it looked like he kind of righted the ship a bit in Vancouver, but then to give up some goals like that so quick and not even give you a chance tonight?
Yeah, it's to say you're not concerned would be just sitting here and lying to you. But we're concerned. But I'm concerned about a lot of guys on this team right now. So he's not the only one.
The offense, Bruce, chiefly among that, the lack of production.
Well, the lack of production. I think our supposedly two big lines were on for every goal. It's not a good situation.
Are you surprised just the week seemed to start promising with kind of that reset game in Vancouver, and now just the way it kind of fizzled here and Mikko's injury? I mean, this has kind of been a week that kind of turned for you guys.
Yeah, you know what? It's one of those things that now it's a test of character now. I mean, you either bounce back or you start blaming everybody else, and we've got to look at ourselves and we've done this. It's been the same group for almost 3 years now. So I mean, we got to right the ship and go from there. It's next game, and we got to be ready and play the right way. I mean, the way McDavid was, I know he's an unbelievable player, but the way he was skating around our guys, it was like at will. He would have scored at will tonight.
Coach, how concerned are you just overall defensively too? The way that things are really loosening up in the neutral zone, and
I'm concerned about every aspect of our game. I mean, after 18 games or something, we were third in the league defensively. Now I'm afraid to look where we are, and it's just unraveled right now. And it's up to us, to as a coaching staff and as a team, to right this ship, get them back on the. Learning how to play great defense again, because that's what's going to win you the games, not trying to score 5 goals a night.